Morning. So my knife holster just came off the printers. I got it all assembled, and this is what I'm going to use while I'm out picking up litter around Memphis. So initially I was going to use something like this, which was basically a single piece with the holster going in there, or the sheath going in there. But this works a lot better. Instead of relying on one pocket, it splits it up between two pockets. And these little bolts right here hold the holster in, or they hold the sheath in, so you can't pull the sheath out. Let me just show you. Now it is going to be reliant on wearing certain pants, but it just goes in the bottom pocket here on the pants, and then in the top, it's got a little magnet, so it fits nice and firm, just like so, and then it just sticks right out, right at arm's length. All right, let me show y'all how this is going to work. So we got the vest on, obviously, and say we're walking along and we're picking up trash and we see a bottle or something that we need to get all the fluids out of. We put the grabber up. We grab this, deal with the bottle, put that back, grabber's back out. Again, grabber up, bottle, dab, whatever, knife back up. That is great for efficiency of movement, because I hate doing stuff that doesn't need to be done. I do have one issue with this, and that is that this as it is cannot quickly be turned around, because when you pull it out, you have it in this motion here, and that's not good for poking those water bottles. You want to have it like this, so we need to make a little handle similar to what the grabber has on it. We need to make a handle similar to what the grabber has on it that does this flipping motion, so that we can flip back and forth just like that. That right there is my only deal, and I may do a design for that tonight or sometime. I can't really drive the rigs anyway with my messed up finger demonstrating this. But in general, we're good to go. We got to glue the rods into the brown components, and there is a screw spot right here so that we can adjust this to the perfect height. But honestly, right now is perfect for me. It's right at the bottom of my arm reach, so as soon as I drop the grabber, it's right there, and that's ideal. So we may just go ahead and glue this in place as well and just call it a day. But yeah, I think that'll work pretty dang good. You guys have a good morning, a good day. See you later.